Hello, fellow Earth scientists. Do you ever wonder how journal publishing got so expensive, or what's up with this open access revolution, and why is my institution requiring me to publish open access? We're going to meet in San Francisco to discuss the history of academic publishing, Earth Science's role in that. We're running a workshop where we can start to unpack with other Earth scientists what kind of changes we can make to the publication ecosystem that might help support better scientist-to-scientist communication and better links to the public and a better experience for authors and readers of academic journals. Like so many researchers, we're concerned about author fees that have become separated from the cost of publishing and are actually keeping important voices out of the conversation. So if you're interested in this, understanding the issues or learning about specific tools that are available to help, or members of the community that are interested in improving equity and inclusion across our global scientific conversation, or you're maybe involved with publishing and you want to know how to improve practices at the journals that you work for, then please come join us for a free workshop.